What's going on, guys? Justin Lam with Kendall Volkswagen of Bend, and today I'm going to show you how to use the launch control in the 2018 GTI. The cool thing about it is it really helps your 0 to 60 time, and it's super fun. Kind of one of those little features that you don't really know about unless you dig deep into the manual. I'm going to show you how to use it. There's a couple ways to do it, and I'll show you how to do that. What's going on, guys? We are sitting in a 2018 Volkswagen GTI in an SE trim package. Something that I kind of want to show you how to do is launch control. So what you're going to want to do to get into launch control, obviously you're going to make sure that the car's warmed up, transmission's warmed up, and obviously that you're in a safe area to do so. So if you're looking at your MFI, what you're going to want to do is hold down the traction control button for 3 seconds. It's going to say that it's been activated or deactivated, and then what you're going to want to do is pull down on the shift knob. It's going to put it in sport, and then you just left foot on the brake, hammer the throttle, and it's going to say launch control has been activated. The second way you can put it in launch control is if from the menu setting on the button, you'll hit car on your screen, then you'll go to settings. You'll go up to here to electronic stability control system, put it in ESC sport. And then you'd want to put the car in sport mode, and then left foot on the brake, launch control program active. It's going to hold it right there, 3,000, 3,200 RPMs, left foot off the brake, and bam, there you go. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Like I said, there's 2 ways to do it. It's DSG only, so if you're in a manual, sorry, get your driving skills up. And I believe you can do it in the GTI up to Mark 7, and then below that I think it's the Golf R only. As you can see, we have a few cars that are covered up. Tonight we're doing the Jetta unveil. I can only show you a little bit, sorry, put it back. Super awesome car, can't wait to show you guys. But again, if you have any questions about the GTI or anything else we have going on, or if you want to come drive one, let me know. Have a good one, guys.
Kendall, let's start something great.